In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a debit note in Zoho Books. If you're using Zoho Books and need to document a financial transaction that involves billing a customer for an additional amount, a debit note is exactly what you need. This might be required in situations where a previously sent invoice needs to be modified to include additional charges, or perhaps when correcting an undercharged item. To get started first, navigate to the Sales section, which you can easily find on the left-hand sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. This is where you'll handle all your sales-related documentation and inquiries. Once you've clicked on Sales, you should see an option labeled Invoices. Go ahead and click on that as well. Invoices are a vital part of maintaining your business's financial records, and working with them seamlessly ensures that you're not missing out on any details when generating debit notes. Now, focus your attention on the Plus New drop-down menu that appears within the Invoices section. This is your gateway to creating new documents related to your sales activity. From this menu, you will see an option to select a debit note, which is what we're interested in today. Click on Debit Note, as this action will prompt the system to open a new window dedicated to crafting your debit note. You'll now find yourself on a page where you can enter the necessary information for your debit note. Here's an important tip. Take a moment to gather the relevant details before filling them in. You need to input who the customer is, the reason you're sending the debit note, and the precise amount involved in this transaction. Make sure you're accurate, as these elements are crucial for both you and your client to keep financial matters clear and transparent. After you've entered all the required information, it's time to decide what you want to do with your nicely drafted debit note. You have a couple of options here. You can either click on Save as Draft if you're still working on it and would prefer to return later. This is helpful if you need to confirm details or have someone else review the note before it's finalized. On the other hand, if you're confident that all the information is correct and ready to be sent, then select Save and Send. This will dispatch the debit note directly to the customer, notifying them of the change in their invoice status. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to generate a debit note within Zoho Books, and you're on your way to managing your business finances more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to explore more features within Zoho Books to fully optimize your bookkeeping tasks.